This video is about production cost report for manufacturing. This video will show the 4 steps for the report. We call our method and pass in the mixing data dictionary. Calculations for each step are shown. I will show you how to make this function method now. Production cost report has self and mixing data as arguments. Mix variable is shorthand for the data dictionary. All costs variable is an empty data array which is global variable. First method is physical units which does not require any arguments. Total units 1 variable is WIP start plus units in production. Note the dictionary key is units. Total units 2 variable is units completed and transferred plus WIPN. Then we print out this information. We can collapse physical units method function for better code viewing. The second method is equivalent units and has no arguments. Material costs variable is units completed and transferred, plus inside ellipses WIP end multiplied by WIP end materials %. Conversion costs variable is units completed and transferred, plus inside ellipses WIP end multiplied by WIP end conversion cost %. All costs.append material costs. All costs.append conversion costs. Then we print out this information. Again, we can collapse the above method for better code viewing. The third method is unit production costs. Direct materials costs variable is WIP start direct materials. Note the dictionary key is costs and not units. Direct materials costs 2 variable is costs direct materials. Total materials cost variable is the addition of direct materials costs 1 and 2. All costs append total materials cost. Unit materials cost variable is all costs index 2, divided by all costs index 0. All costs append unit materials cost. Conversion costs variable is WIP start conversion costs. Conversion costs 2 variable is costs conversion costs. Total conversion variable is the addition of conversion costs 1 and 2. All costs.append total conversion. Unit conversion cost variable is all costs index 4 divided by all costs index 1. All costs.append unit conversion cost. Total manufacturing cost per unit variable is unit conversion costs plus unit materials cost. All costs.append total manufacturing CPU. And we print out this information. The fourth method is reconciliation schedule which has no arguments. WIP start variable is cost WIP start. WIP end variable is costs incurred. Total cost variable is the addition of WIP end and WIP start. Costs transferred out variable is units completed transferred multiplied by all costs index 6. Then we print out this information. And at the end of the main function we call the above functions. Inside our management.py file we have the data dictionary. We call our method and pass in the mixing data. Production cost report is calculated. Physical flow shows equal 900,000 units. Equivalent units shown for materials and conversion costs. Unit production costs broken down into parts. Reconciliation schedule shows costs transferred out plus conversion cost equals the total cost of $655,000. And that concludes this video.